In public, they appear to be the perfect newlyweds, besotted, affectionate, and picture perfect. But behind closed doors, sparks fly in all the wrong ways. Alexei is competitive, arrogant, and surly, and he seems determined to make every day a challenge. He glares at high heels, seethes over past relationships, and insists he's not attracted to his new wife. According to him, their marriage is purely practical. He's in it for citizenship. But fighting with Alexei is far more thrilling than expected. Beneath his gruff exterior lies a man who is surprisingly caring, protective, and generous. He cooks meals that speak louder than words, worries about her safety with unrelenting intensity, and sends flowers with secret meanings she can't help but decode. Every gesture, small and grand, reveals a depth she didn't anticipate. Despite his protests, he makes her sleep in his bed, calls her his wife, and shows her a side of love that's both tender and intoxicating. Gloves Off is a sizzling, enemies-to-lovers romance filled with witty banter, fiery tension, and heart-stopping moments that make every fight worth it. Stephanie Archer expertly blends humor, passion, and emotional depth into a story that will leave listeners captivated until the final page.